Hello, thanks for joining me. This is Mike from Ultimate Pool Guy, MPS Pools, The Truth 6.4, and Rental. And welcome to my how to pour concrete pool deck video. For today's work, we're going to be pouring a backyard patio as well as about 70 feet of side yard. I'm going to be taking you through this job the best I can, step by step, and making comments and pointing things out that I think are important and relevant. The first thing that you're going to notice is that all of my structures are built. My pony wall for the AC condenser, my fire pit, and around the corner I have a barbecue area. So the concrete truck is backing up to the concrete pump. Each one of these trucks holds 10 cubic yards of concrete. Our pump operator has a remote control that talks to the pump, and he's able to control the flow of the concrete as the job is happening from the rear of the property.
Listo.
Listo. This is the 2x4 for screeding, right?
Yeah, for
screed the concrete? Mm-hmm. Screeding the concrete is when we take the 2x4 to make the concrete level. The first attempt at making the concrete level.
Yeah.
How many square feet do we have back there, senor?
I not remember.
It's a lot, right?
More than 800.
Oh, more than 800 square feet, right?
Yeah.
Is more than one truck or two?
Yeah, it's more than one truck.
Right, 2 trucks, right?
Yeah.
And each truck is 10 yards. 10 yards, right. Right, so we use this 2x4 to screed the top of the concrete as it's getting pumped in.
Yeah. That's the rack.
Right, yes, right.
Yeah.
How many years you do this job?
Oh, long time. I not remember.
Okay, so following the pouring of the concrete, here you see the screeding process. This is the practice of using a 2x4, dragging it across the top of the concrete to help create a level surface. Okay, here you see once again, Maestro Campos has a hook and he's pulling the rebar up into the middle of the concrete. This helps increase the tensile strength of concrete. Concrete has a subjective weakness when it comes to tensile strength, so we have to reinforce it with steel.
What are they doing in the back?
That's the screeding.
That's screeding, right?
Yes, right, and remember he was cleaning that piece out front. Okay, this is our step area. This is coming in and out of the residence to the master bedroom. You can see a whole bunch of material got used. This is our first attempt at creating a level surface. Okay, here we are, we're pouring right close to the edge of the pool, getting that expansion joint perfect. It's very important to have that foam to create the space. Later, when the concrete dries, it gives us the opportunity to pour our deck joint compound, also known as Deco Seal. The other very important thing when pouring concrete pool decking is your expansion joint. The pool shell and the concrete deck are two separate entities. The concrete is expanding and contracting at a different rate for the pool shell and the deck. Pool shell is typically 8 to 10 inches of gunite. That's right here. We want to separate these two structures. In this case, we're using some, looks like 1/2x3 foam. This is going to create the expansion joint from our deck to pool shell. This will later then be filled with deck joint compound or Deco Seal. Okay, here you see we got the job in full effect. We got the guys pouring over here. We got the oiled wood floats passing over here. We're screeding over here, which is our first attempt at a level surface. 3,500 PSI mix. Maestro Campos pulling the rebar. And this is how you pour concrete pool deck. What do you want from me? These 2x4s represent the rear of the property where we have a planter. To deal with this, we're building a 6-inch curb, which the guys are pouring in right now. I don't know, what else, Maestro? What's going on? That's nothing, right?
There's nothing.
No, we're doing the expansion joints, waiting on the other truck.
I started to work to make it nice.
Yeah, this is great weather, by the way, for pouring concrete, right? Yeah, it's good weather.
Nice weather for the country.
Cutting expansion joints in the concrete helps deal with cracking and helps control cracking. It's impossible to say that concrete will not crack. Is that right, Maestro?
Yeah, that's right.
Concrete is going to crack, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Warning, hard work and taking on big jobs might lead to and cause early mornings, making a lot of money, financial freedom, a fat wallet, a large bank account, buying whatever you want, material success, paying your bills every month.
Yeah.
Just as the name would suggest, we pass a broom or light brush over the top of the concrete to achieve what is called a broom finish. This is popular and oftentimes recommended around the swimming pool area for its non-slip traction qualities. Please remember to work safe. Me and my men have been doing this for a lot of years and we've done hundreds of jobs together. We make this look easy. Working around heavy equipment is dangerous. You can get seriously injured or killed. From all of us at Ultimate Pool Guy and Maestro Campos, thanks for watching this week's feature how-to.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.